Hello guys, welcome back to Ishankon channel. Today we're gonna watch some most games that you all guys ever played. It's called Teardown, and this video was created by Brickbreak. One Punch Man versus character Teardown. And let's go. This video we have 226,858 views by 1 hour ago. So we are gonna see this video again. I mean not again. We're gonna see this video together and like and subscribe to see more videos. I'm reacting other videos that you guys like. So enjoy. One Punch Man. Okay. This is called by Saitama. And oh my! Oh no. Okay. This is very maniac. It's like hit one more hit, then that robot thing was go far away from that thing. And the building is collapsed. Oh boy. And what the heck is that? Oh no. No way. Just collapse every part of the building. Is that World Trade Center? Nah, no way. This guy floating, and I don't know, man. I don't know. Is this guy is it from the Pacific monster? I think it's a kaiju thing. I don't know. And what? Godzilla. Okay, Godzilla 2 and this say One Punch Man versus character. Does Godzilla look character to you? It's a monster, man. Boom. Okay, now it's collapsed. How does it float? Oh, I saw this one thing standing, and it's still stable. That building out. I'm freaking out. Oh boy. And oh, the strong. Oh my. And oh, the buildings fly away in the air. The monster zero. Oh, I can't believe it. I got scared, but this thing falling just over this building. Nope. And then now it's collapsed. And look at that. He was flying, and he was flying. That's crazy though. And the building collapsed. I don't like it. Wait. Hold up. Go back. Do you see why am I seeing? Or for real? And why there's a thing floating? It's supposed to drop. And nah. This is unacceptable. And okay. Oh my days. Can you wait when I finish talking, please, ma'am? What the heck is that? Let's call. Okay, I can fly through it. Oh my! I don't see they explode like that. Nice alive. And look at that arm. Really ridiculous. And no way, this thing is still floating again. I don't know why it doesn't make any sense. Why? Okay, that's too bad with that. And that thing is floating. Don't tell me this building is also floating too. Okay, good, but this smoking is floating. I think never mind. I can hear Kong roars. And oh, the Kong is right there. And oh, he got burning up. That atomic breath sound looks like Godzilla, but okay, now it's not floating. Good. Don't float don't float anymore. And the kaiju is down. Oh boy. And we have Monster Zero. Did you just collapse everything, man? And this looks like a Minecraft flat world. And Godzilla still on. Oh boy. And it flew away. This Monster Zero Giga is huge. It's enormous. And the thing, oh boy. This building is so unacceptable that I'm not gonna tell this. And we have a I'm not wrong. And it flies to the mall. Oh nice, I got it. Oh, that's a good one. I think I will see this that people were living there in that building too. I'm serious. Did you just blast? Did you just blast? Oh no, don't tell me that thing is floating again. No, I'm unacceptable, bro. Come on. Okay, now one more thing is that thing is floating. Wait. Guys, I'm telling you that we have Warden in Minecraft but in Teardown. Do you have a Minecraft mod in Teardown? No way. And he's gonna blast it. Wow! My god! Oh my, that Warden is gonna get. Oh boy, just atomic breath everywhere, and that building is on fire. What is that? And oh no, don't tell me it's collapsed, bro. Okay, now the two gonna float away, and water is on the side, and another one and is at the building. Thank you for watching. That is the end of the video, and I love ya, and goodbye. See you on the next video. Thank you.